Welcome to another test tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing Google Chrome on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, it's the best that guide will ensure you have Chrome running smoothly on your system. Let's get started. 1. To provide spare files as a default browser, let's open it first. Now catch for Google search on download and open the first link. Now click on the download button here. Well, here you have two options. Either you have to download the EB file, which is for Debian-based OS like Ubuntu, or you can download .rpm, which is for operating in STEM like Fedora. As we are using Ubuntu, let's select the EDB file. Now our file is downloading. Once the download completed, look at the file on the download folder. Now open your terminal and look at download folder using the following commands. When installing the Google Chrome, you have to type the following command. Go to your password and the installation begins. After installation successfully, you can find Google Chrome from the Show Access. In this tutorial, we have covered two methods to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. If you are interested in more tutorials, check out our other videos on pitting app. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Do Not Check for more helpful guides. Happy browsing.